In the heart of Southeast Asia, an empire once rose that would shape the destiny of the region. This is the story of Majapahit, the empire of glory, unity, and tragedy. Born in the late 13th century after the collapse of Singhasari, Majapahit quickly grew into one of the most powerful empires in Asia. Under Hayam Wuruk and the legendary Prime Minister Gajah Mada, its influence stretched across oceans. Life in Majapahit was vibrant. Ports welcomed traders from China, India, and Arabia. Farmers worked fertile lands, while poets and priests enriched the cultural soul of Java. Gajah Mada's vow, the Sumpah Palapa, was not just words, but a fire that fueled conquests. Majapahit united islands under one banner, becoming the thalassocracy of Southeast Asia. This was Majapahit's golden age. Its courts glittered with gold, its poets wrote timeless verses, and its fleets ruled the seas. The empire was at its height, but within the palace walls, shadows grew. Succession disputes, betrayal, and ambition weakened the unity of Majapahit. The empire that once ruled the seas was torn apart from within. Civil wars raged and foreign powers grew stronger. By the 16th century, Majapahit fell. Its glory turned to dust, its palaces to ruins. Yet its spirit lived on, shaping kingdoms and inspiring nations. Majapahit may have fallen, but its legacy endures in Indonesia's unity, culture, and spirit. The echoes of the past still whisper through time,